well, let's talk more about the papaya salad, which is the what we're going to prepare today. And as we're going to learn, there's both a version from Laos and a version from Thailand. So I think just quickly, we've got photos of both of those. We'll take a quick, oh, there's some sticky rice with mango, of course, to end the meal. So this is the Thai version, is that right?
อันนี้คือส้มตำไทย yes.
And then you can see in the next photo the difference right off the bat. This is the Lao.
That's Somtam version.
So why don't we actually, we'll stop the photos, and we would love to see you both prepare. I know Chef Pisup is going to prepare one of the salads, and Chef Pinam is going to prepare the other, and we can sort of talk about the differences as we go.
โอเคเดี๋ยวเราจะเริ่มคุกเลยนะคะเดี๋ยวเชฟจะทำเป็นเชฟจะทำส้มตำไทยแล้วก็เชฟคุณสุจะทำส้มตำลาวถูกไหมคะเดี๋ยวเริ่มที่
So will they tell us, to remind us who is preparing which?
So yeah, so Chef Kulsatree is making the Thai version of Somtam, and Chef Sup will be doing the Lao version. ตอนนี้เข้าไปตอนที่ใส่อะไรไปบ้างคะช่วยเล่าหน่อยนะคะอร่อยต้องเสียงดังหน่อย So she throw in chilies and garlics. I think what I saw.
Into both, so they're starting the same. Is that correct?
And squeeze some limes in there. Have you noticed they throw the whole thing? You know the limes in there, including the skin, because they like to get the oil from the skin, which is make a big difference. Learn that from the Isan.
Do they take the lime out after they've pounded it, or it just kind of turns into a paste?
Serve it like that. They serve it like that. You see how she and then she just.
Yeah.
So in terms of differences, so far are they doing the same?
It looks like.
I know they're working furiously.
ตอนนี้ทำทุกอย่างเหมือนคล้ายๆจะเหมือนกันถูกไหมคะ Oh yeah, so the difference is you see from Chef Su, she put the para, which is the fermented fish sauce, that she put in that make a big difference in that dish, that Lao version is where they put the fermented fish sauce.
And so that, of course, has a lot more sort of pungency and saltiness and.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Said that it gives that's kind of like the umami.
Umami.
ปลาร้าสูตรพิเศษค่ะ
That's the fermented fish. Homemade.
ปลาร้าสูตรซิ่งไทยแลนด์นะคะ
Homemade fermented fish.
Wow, and that's also what gives it the darker color as well, right?
That's why it gets darker color in the Lao version.
So, would you ask them how long it takes to make that fermented fish sauce?
ใช้เวลานานไหมในการทำปลาร้าค่ะในการหมักปลาร้า
ปลาร้านี่เราจะต้มก่อนนะคะก็ประมาณ3 ชั่วโมงนี้ก็เสร็จแล้วค่ะเราต้องต้มก่อนต้มเสร็จแล้วก็แพ็คเกจเข้าไปในตู้เย็นไปเลยค่ะแล้วตอนที่นานนี่อร่อยนะ
ดองนานแค่ไหนคะต้องดองนานแค่ไหนคะ
อ๋อไม่ค่ะใช้ได้เลยค่ะ
ใช้ได้เลย
ปลาร้าเขามีมาแล้ว
ลาวนะคะลาวสไตล์นะคะ
Beautiful.
So that's the Lao version. She said the process of the parashi only took about 3 hours.
Oh, okay.
That's the Thai version, and they serve with the cabbage on the side.
Yes.
So it actually helps when it gets too spicy. You just eat a lot of cabbage.
So I also wanted to ask, are both of these currently on the menu, or did you used to offer both? What's the situation there with the restaurant?
ร้านมีขายทั้งสองเวอร์ชันเลยป่ะคะทั้งไทยทั้งลาว
ใช่ค่ะทั้ง2 เวอร์ชันเลยค่ะ
The Thai version is on the menu.
จะลองชิมนะคะว่าต้องเปิดด้วยมือนะคะมันถึงจะถึงใจกินตำหูไม่ต้องเปิดด้วยมือ
They're showing us how to eat it with the sticky rice there.
Yes,
คือลาวนะคะคน
container for sticky rice like the way we do in Isan. It
keeps it warm in the container. We're very, very jealous right now.
Made from bamboo. You're making us hungry.
Very hungry.